KIVAS automatic bedding filling machine is a series of machines manufactured using a modular approach, designed to meet the production needs of soft cushion bedding industry. Using the KIVAS bedding filling machine when the high capacity is required, and configured more pre-weighing modules 4 to 20 according to the hourly output. Thanks to the complete integration of bedding filling machine with other KIVAS machines, customers can enjoy the highest level of performance.